Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a collage art cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap the cutout button next to the logo option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and find it the collage art cutout option. And new, just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add text to your project, click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen, write your text, and if you finish, just click to the Done button. In the font section, you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and just select another color. If you want to change the picture, or if you want to add the graphic elements to your project, just click to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find the different graphic elements, and the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, select a color and new you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, you can find the different objects. For example, click to the stars button and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.